Hey, what's up, YouTube? Do me a favor, man. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this video. Coming to you today, man, we're going to do a little quick unboxing of my purchase. And what we have purchased is a Kel Tec product. And we are going to open it up, see what we got going on inside. Okay, get inside. We got our trusty papers. Of course, we have our owner's manual, which we always want to talk about. Always read the owner's manual so you know your firearm, learn all the parts to the firearm. And what we have purchased is the Kel Tec P17. A lot of people give us some slack, you know, a lot of people understand it. I'm one of the people who understand it. The P17 is a 22 LR firearm. There's another Kel Tec, it's the PM30, which is another 22, and that's a pretty good one too with good reviews. But we're going to talk about this P17 today. This is another budget-friendly firearm. The reason I like this firearm is because you can go to the range. You don't have to pay a lot of money for ammo. You can get your training on. You can take your wife. You can take your children. Less recoil. This is something to have. It's a great plinker. Something to have a whole lot of fun, as well as save some money while you're doing it, as far as ammo is concerned. This firearm comes with safety lock for your trigger. Also comes with some tools. To take it apart, as well as the front of it, you can put a suppressor on it. So you have this right here to put on for the suppressor. This right here is to take this part off right here. And of course, this part is to take your firearm apart. This firearm also comes with 16 round magazines, which is a plus. Wait a minute. Yeah. It comes with 3 16 round magazines. I was thinking about another firearm, but yes, this comes with 3 mags, which is awesome because once you get out there and you start firing away and you're having some fun, you know, you don't feel like stopping and reloading your magazines, get them in there so you can get back going. So you got 3 times the fun right here. Most of the 22s come with 10 round magazines. So you're already at an advantage because you have 7 extra in each magazine.
Well, duh.
For more fun. You also come with, this also comes with some stickers, bunch of stickers in here, some more in here. Kel Tec give you a whole bunch of those things. And I'm going to be using, when I go to the range with this firearm, I'm going to be using different types of ammo. I'm going to use the Blazer 22 LR, which I have a whole lot of this. I also have some Aguila 22. I'm going to use that. And also the Blazer, the Aguila, and the CCI. I have some CCI. I'm going to use that. They say with this firearm that you should put high velocity ammo in here to make it run smoother. So without further ado, we're going to talk about the P17 22 LR Kel Tec. I love this firearm. For number one, firearm is not loaded. There's no magazine in it. It's pointing in a safe direction. There's nothing in here. All right. So back to it. What I like about this firearm is, for number one, it's very light. I think it's probably somewhere around 16. I think I read it was like, about 12 ounces for this firearm. It's mainly polymer all the way through. You do have a metal slide up the top. You have a fiber optic sight right here. It's for your lineup. You have your takedown lever right here. This is not ambidextrous, but you do have your safety on the left and the right, as you can see right here. You have your slide release over here. Slide release. Also, on the top, you see these two right here? Kind of looks like you can take these off and put an optic sight on top, which you really cannot. However, they do sell the top portion of this whole slide separately with an optic is already onto it. The sight on here is a floating sight, wind sight. You can make some adjustments to it. And you also have your tool if you need to. To me, this looks kind of slick, in my opinion. I like the rivets in here, but this is how you can actually take it apart. I probably wouldn't want to because you don't want to void out your warranty. I think this is the one with the lifetime warranty on it, as long as you don't mess it up. Need to take this off. I need to take this off. You also have your front rail where you can put a flashlight or a laser sight if you'd like to. This is similar to the Walther as far as to the mag release, which you do have an ambidextrous mag release. So this is ambi. I take that back. This is only thing you don't have is for your slide. But you do have your safety and you have your mag release on the left or here on the right. Okay. Trigger pull on this is pretty good. I can't remember the exacts on it. However, that was pretty quick, right? It's right there. And when you come back out, you got a way to go to come back out. However, once you do, it's right there again. All right. So right there. It's not that bad, man. Actually, you gotta be careful with it because it's like right there. It's not bad at all. Reset. Right there. Okay. All right, so like I said, this is all plastic. I like this because I like the grip in the rear. It would probably be better if you had like some tape up top or you know, scratchy to help with the grip. However, because there's not a lot of recoil, you don't have to worry about too much slippage on it. But you could put some of that tape on it if you'd like to. You do have some right here. This feels good in your hand. Hand fits up on it. You have your 3 fingers right here. That goes on there pretty good. Show you also how you can take the top of this thing off. Look at the mag well. Check out the mag well. This is nice and slim, skinny firearm. Oh, also, when it's hot, see the red in there? Lets you know that it's ready to rock and roll. When your safety is off or when your safety is on, it still lets you know that it's hot. The trigger is hot and it's ready to rock and roll. All right. When you do take this down, it's that easy. Take it apart. Take the top off. All right. This is the metal part. This is all the metal part on the firearm. Now also, like I said, see right here, you put this on and you can take this off. Then once you take this off, you want to be careful because you have your spring in here, so you don't want your spring to pop out. But you can take this off. And you can put this one on. Make sure once you put it on, your threads are going on properly. All right, no problems with that. So this would slide right on, okay, for you to put your suppressor on. Just wanted to show you how that comes off real quick. But you also, once you use this one and you put it on, you want to make sure that you have your slide in place, because if you don't, you're going to oh, also it's a little washer on here. Probably can't see it. You want to make sure you don't lose that washer when you're putting this back. When you're putting this back on there. All right. That back on. Tightening back up. We put this back on here, line him up, make sure you pull down on this front, slide that on, and bam, there you go. Got it right back on here. Safe direction, safety off, good to go. Okay, make sure everything's okay. All right, so this is a real nice plinker, man. I'm interested in this because of the price point. You can get this anywhere from, I'm gonna say around $220 to $275. You can negotiate if you go to the range on them.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And, you know, talk them down a little bit on it. Also, like I said, with this top part right here, you can purchase it separate with an optic already on it, and that cost about $150 for that.
I didn't come here to find out what you think.
So it's almost the same price as another firearm. However, I've seen on YouTube where somebody got these two pieces out and they were able to put an optic sight on there. However, I know they don't recommend that. But if you were to do it that way, when he went to the range and was firing the firearm, it was jamming. It was pretty much jamming. And he's thinking that it was because he put this optic on it on his own. So if I was to put one on, I would definitely purchase one and not put it on myself. I would purchase the whole top slide with the optic onto it. That's me. That's my opinion. That's what I would do. But I can't wait to get this to the range, man, and have some fun. Take you guys along with me. And this firearm also comes in other colors. It comes in a flat dark earth, that tan looking color. It also comes in an army green, and it comes in this color black. I chose to get the black one. This is the one I wanted to get. The other two colors cost a little more, so you'll be looking at more of the upwards of the $275 price if you were to purchase one of the other ones with the color onto them. And the ammo price on this is so reasonable, and that's what makes this a very fun shooting firearm for training, for taking your younger kids out to practice, or, you know, your wife or anyone. You know, you don't have to worry about any recoil on it. So that's what we plan to do, man. Have some fun, man. Have some fun at the range. Actually, here's another gun lock that came in here that you put together for this firearm. All right, man, that's about it. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I'm excited about this firearm. It fits pretty much in your hand. This is about a 4-inch barrel in here inside. I'm excited about getting this out to the range and putting it to the test. So stay tuned for the video when we have the Kel Tec P17 at the range and have us a whole bunch of fun, man. Thanks for watching this video. Tell someone about the channel, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you at the range. Peace.